Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see your Roblox password if you forgot it. Okay, now tap on password option. There is no password option on Roblox. No problem, follow my all steps. I have solved your problem. Now first open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on Google. Tap on all service. Scroll down. Tap on autofill with Google. Now tap on Google Password Manager. Scroll down. Now tap on Roblox. Finally, see your Roblox password. Hopefully solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.